arrived home, they went to the supermarket, grocery shopping, and now they are taking out all the things that they bought, and I will show you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so I want to show you all the things that they bought, guys. Okay, so we have tomatoes, but these tomatoes are for bread, and we also have toothpaste, two of these guys of cherry tomatoes. We have yogurt, natural yogurt, and another yogurt. Lakota loves this with fruits. And we also have these mushrooms. It's only €1, guys. And we also have these carrots, corn in pan. And we have these green beans, a kilo, I think, of green beans. And 3 of these zucchinis or courgette. And 2 eggplants or aubergines. And we also have a pack of, or a bag of spinach here. And 2 bags of salad. And we also have tomato sauce for spaghettis or pastas. And this soy sauce. Hailey loves this cereal and my husband. And Lakota loves this one. And let's move on here. So we have these raisins. We also have walnuts. Yeah. We have 2 of these prepared or cut longanisa, dried longanisa or cured longanisa, and 2 of these bacon for carbonara. And we have a dozen of eggs and a bunch of bananas. Yes, the kids love bananas. And we have 5 kilos of potatoes. And this one naman, guys, ay for Russell. This is for Russell, yes. But I think he is tired eating this already, guys. And he prefers to eat meat only. And this meat is for him. This is for Russell. Yes. And I'm going to show you guys ours. So guys, itong cider na to binili ni Habi kanina nung sinundo niya si Hailey. So hindi pa siya malamig. And sabi niya, sweetie, can you please put into the freezer? Tapos nilagay ko naman sa freezer, guys. And now, as in na ano na siya, guys. Nag-ice na siya. Not totally ice. Alam niyo yung ice na very soft. Ayun, ganun na siya, guys. Ganun na. So, as in na, this is so good. So, I'll probably take one now. Ito naman yung meat namin. So we have 1 kilo of ground pork. Yeah, so hati-hatiin ko na lang ito, guys, into 3. Yes, ganyan. Para sa, for example, stuffed eggplant or courgette. And then yung isa naman is for macaroni. Yes, I mean spaghetti bolognese. And yung isa naman, nakalagay na lang doon sa fridge, so we can use anytime. Or maybe for spring rolls. And bumili din si Habi, guys, or nagpabili din ako kay Habi ng 2 pork ribs. Yes, para lutuin sa oven. Yes. So as in really good, guys, kasi wala siyang gaanong fats. Most of it is yung meat. Yes, as you can see. And sa chicken naman, normally kumukuha ako ng whole chicken, pero sineseparate namin yung thighs, tapos the butcher, I told her to open it kasi iluluto ko sa oven din. And then a kilo of chicken wings. And tapos yung ano naman guys, yung breast naman ng whole chicken. So ito naman siya, na-slice na siya in thin slices. Tapos yung chicken carcass naman niya guys, nandito din siya. So I'm going to put this in my soups. So ayan na guys, yung whole chicken natin. Yan na yung carcass niya. Tapos I didn't know na bumili pala si Habi ng isa din na chicken carcass. I didn't know that. Yeah. Ayan. Ayan na guys. So this one guys is whole ribs siya. Whole ribs na dalawa. Kasi iluluto ko ito sa oven. So ito lang guys ang meat namin for this week. Hindi sila bumili ng fish kasi in the afternoon nakasarado kasi guys yung bilihan ng fish, kaya walang fish today. And now it's time to sort out all this meat. Naitago ko na yung una kanina. So, ayan na guys. Nakikita nyo guys yung eyes na nabuo na. Ayan. This side. Ayan. Hello everyone! Good morning! Today is Wednesday, 11th November 2020. And yes guys, since last Saturday, the weather here in our place, or I think most of the places here in Spain, is cloudy, rainy days these days. Rainy days guys, the last few days, yeah, last weekend. And now the weather here in our place is, that's the weather guys. So that's the weather guys since Saturday and until now it's Wednesday. You know what, nakakatamad. Yes, because we cannot go out because it is so foggy, so cold. And yeah, so dito lang kami sa bahay mga sis. So this is the chicken guys, last night. Now let's fry.